Hey guys, I finally taken Toby's cage down and his toys. Got rid of the bad ones, kept the good ones. I'm going to box them up. This is his favorite one, but it's so dirty. I'm not going to wash it. I might. I probably will. I don't know if I'm going to get another dog or not. I don't think I want to. He's my right-hand man. He's my best friend. He's my everything. I took the tie out. Brought the tie out in 2 nights ago. I gotta get all this boxed up. The harness belonged to Dumay, but the collars, some of the collars belong to Dumay. Most of them belong to Toby. That's a running line. No, I never used that chain right there. I did positive reinforcement training. But this will be the last video I made talking about Toby. This one's got to go in the trash. I put a trash bag in there. He loved all those toys. He played with all of them. So many memories wrapped up in all those tools and stuff I worked with training Toby and Dumay. I started training Toby when he was 4 months old. That's when I got him, when he was 4 months old. He was 10 years old when he died. He had to be put down. He didn't know where he was at anymore. He was so confused, his legs would shoot out from underneath him. His back legs would. He'd put one paw on top of the other front paw and couldn't move. He'd fall down. He'd trip over his own feet. I miss him so much. But look at this. Went and had a 24 by 36 collage of Toby and me. Then bought a frame, took the picture out, and redid it.
Russell, how are you, man? What's up, Sammy? What's going on? Nice to see you. How's everything going? Good. You alright? Everything's good. Let's walk through the house real quick. I'm happy to see everything is going well here. I think when this project is headed,
I know, that's a dark one. That's a bad one right there. You can see his head. It's clear in the right-hand corner. This is the last of the memories I have of Toby. I did get his ashes. It's Toby's ashes. Paw print. It was done by Forever Friends. It wasn't too expensive. But what I can't figure out, Dumay's pine box is so much heavier than Toby's. I hope they gave me all of his ashes. Well, this is the last time talking about Toby, guys. I know you all loved him. He loved you all, his YouTube family. He's a good dog. And I miss him so, so, so much. I don't think I'll ever get over him. It's Mysterious Granny. Peace out.